Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to mass delete Discord messages. So if you want to delete bulk messages on the Discord, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, I researched on this topic. Many people created videos on it, and when I try that trick, not all tricks are working well. Other are very confusing. So to uh, delete messages, bulk messages, just you have to write this command, this one, then clear, and after that you have to enter the username of that friend you want to delete the messages on the Discord. No, if this trick is not working, no other way to mass delete Discord messages. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.